everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lena. Today I'm going to take you to Vivid Sydney 2024. Before we jump into the video, let me give you a brief idea about Vivid Sydney. It is an annual celebration of lights, music, performances, drone shows, fireworks, food, ideas and so much more. This year we have the theme Humanity. Millions of people comes together in this celebration and it is happening in 8 different locations in the heart of the city. So before starting for the location, let's go to their website and find out those areas and what all installations are there. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's go straight to Circular Quay. From there we will walk towards Barangaro. Circular Quay is really busy with people going up and down. This projection is called Sea, Sand and Stars. Journey from deep space to the depth of the ocean to a busy day in the life of a Bondi beach. Global rainbow, a spectrum of light reaching from the Sydney Tower eye. This is the circle of interactive installation. Actually embrace the joy of human connection. Samsung Chorus of Light unites humanity through the hope for the future. Vivid Light on Sydney Harbour is a vibrant dynamic part of a coordinated display. This is one of my favorite installations. It's called Connections. As individuals, we all are connected by countless invisible threads, wandering through circular forest of luminous ropes. Then comes the best part of the day, the drone show. It's almost 1:30 a.m. now and it's freezing cold. We are heading back home. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do like and comment below. I would really love to know if there is such kinds of festivals or celebrations happening at your place. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures and lots of fun. See you next time.